Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is SenorCaribou, and today I'm going to be showing you my first Adobe After Effects tutorial. Today, we're going to be creating this. Alright, bad lighting aside, let's get into the tutorial.
Alright, now we are actually in After Effects. I gotta tell you something, I just recorded a whole scene, like the whole entire scene, and it didn't capture this middle window. And I don't know, it was something stupid with my recorder. But now all that's good. So, let's begin the tutorial. When you want to start, hit New Composition. Make sure you know the time of your song, so that way you can put it right here. Mine's 3 minutes and 58 seconds. We will call this one Audio Tutorial. Because that's it, we're just making audio. Boom. What you're going to want to do is import your files. I conveniently have mine right here. Boom. Insert. Now words. What you're going to want to do is hit P. No, wrong one. Scale. Yes. Make that a little bit bigger. Boom. Now hit P to see your position. Hit Alt and then click the little stopwatch thingy that you see there. Now you're going to want to see this. If you don't see this, you're something wrong. Hit wiggle, not hit, wiggle to 10. Just like that. Now, what you see is, let me actually play it. That's how I do the little judder thing, so it shakes like that. So, we have that out of the way. Now, we're going to find out how to actually do the audio tutorial part of it. So, you want to do New, Solid. It doesn't matter what color this will be, because it will not be visible later on. Audio Reactor. Now, see this? You see this ellipse tool up here? Yep. If you can't figure it out, just hold and then scroll down. Yep. Ellipse tool. Start to drag. Then hit Control Shift. That'll make a perfect uniform circle. Drag it to about as long as you, or big as you want it. I'll make mine that big. So then we shall go down here and hit None. Now, this is where the fun stuff starts coming in. Audio Spectrum. Just drag it over, and you're going to see this purple line. Now, what this purple line does is, you'll see in a second. What you're going to want to do is hit Path, Mask 1. You can't see it anymore because it's in the purple line, or yellow line. Alright, so, for the settings over here, we're going to want 300 for our end frequency, 100 for frequency bands, 700 for maximum height, 90, 0, 10 for thickness, and 0 for softness. And for the colors, we'll just make them white, just like in the video that you saw in the beginning. Now, yeah, I forgot. You also want to do side B, so it only shows up on the other side. Oh, duh. You're going to want to take your song here and move it in there. Go back. Boom. There you go. As you can see, it now reacts to the audio that you have. And you also have that jiggle in the background. So, next we're going to do the little time thing that you see in my videos. The little line that goes across the screen to show you how long the song is and how it's going to end. So, what we do for there is we click on Mask 1, hit Control D to duplicate it. Hit this to see it. Well, it's already visible, so that's cool. Control Shift, drag, and that sounds about right. Now, go over to your audio effects and presets. Not audio effects and presets, just effects and presets. We want stroke. Go down and find generate stroke. Double click and it will be applied. Now you want to go over here to where all this crazy mess is happening and go mask 2. Now you won't be able to see it yet, but it's actually there. So what we want is brush size 10, brush hardness 100. Let's see, spacing 0. Perfect. Now you just see that line there. It's not really doing anything. we want to do is click on that to start a keyframe. Make the value 100%. Go over here. Change it to 0. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, there we go. It's a line to show you. Oh, well, I guess when you have so many presets going on at once, there we go. We'll just click. See? And there it goes. At 12 frames because my poopy computer can't handle recording and also showing you guys what's happening at once. Thank you, computer. I appreciate that. That was a little voice crack. I don't know if you heard that. Now, I'm going to add another mask. Hit Control D to do that. Let's apply another stroke. Mask 3. Let's see if we can actually find it here. That would be nice. Sometimes I accidentally click on the other one, which isn't good. I have a feeling I'm going to do it again. I'm going to find out right now. Ready? Nope. Perfect. It did what I needed it to. Now, we're going to make this brush size. Let's turn off this so we can actually see what's going on here. Alright, so that's what we see. Let's make it, how about 5? Alright, that looks good. We are not going to mess around with any of the other values. Now, let's go back to projects. I'm going to bring in my, hold on, wait. Before that, we need to do the cool effects that you can see. Control D on the audio reactor layer. Type in your effects tab, CC Light, and you should see CC Light Burst. Go over that, and actually just double click it. See? Now we get this cool effect that will make the rendering time of your animation, your spectrum, like 10 times longer, but it still looks cool, and it makes it look a lot better. Now, I can go and add in my logo here, hopefully in the center as I can possibly make it. And let's see if we can line it up with that. That seems about right. Now, it's done. That's it. We just made our spectrum thing. Now all you gotta do is hit File, find Export, wherever it is, I just went past it, Add to Render Queue, and then you can choose your settings. H.264 is MP4, for any of you who want to know, and actually want to do MP4s. So that will be it.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped out. Yeah, if you don't have Adobe After Effects, I don't know why you watched the video. And if you don't have Adobe After Effects, then you shouldn't be watching this end right here. But if you do, then this, I hope, will be very helpful to you. I like it. If you want to see the, all the files and everything, like the song and the background, they will be in the description below. So, I will see you guys next time, guys. Bye!